asuntosykeyhtiö Kuusankoski Länsipuisto, Puistokatu 50, Kuusankoski, Kouvola, staircase B.
Today is the 28th of August 2019. Oh, oops. Built in 2003, age 72227, 5 meters of wire grids. There's a Russian intercom, not all of them have it. It's gonna be inspected this year, 2019. Turned 15 years old in the last year, 2018. Sigma on the outside, Delta on the inside. And it's strange.
Yeah.
But it's not broken, it's just... it's not as usual. Oh, are they coming? No.
We'll see that in a bit.
Or does it have memory to stop on the second floor?
Yeah.
See.
Inspekteeripaikki vai inspekteerit? Mietin paikka on.
No, it didn't stop. Or probably it was just someone who went out.
Yeah.
Not someone that we called. I don't know. P is also strange.
Yeah.
3 dots.
Yeah.
It's like thicker.
Yeah.
Like bold.
That looks quite nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It does actually. Strange.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
That's